Let us understand the step-by-step process of entering breakdown details in StrategicERP. Navigate to the breakdown details form under the plant and machinery module. Select the location, project name and asset ID. Asset name will be auto-fetched based on your selection. Enter the status of the asset. Once the status is entered, a drop-down will appear for selection in the next entry. Enter the date, starting time and finishing time of the breakdown. Enter the reason of breakdown and corrective action taken details. Enter the target date of completion in case of major breakdown. Enter the reason for delay with reference. Enter the next target date and actual date of completion. Enter the suitable remarks. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of entering breakdown details is now complete.